it going, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Just got finished washing this one, just got finished washing that one yesterday, and I still got to do the tires and the interior on this one. But while I was washing it, I got to thinking, I wonder how many other people do some of the crazy things I do, and then it hit me, well, maybe some of you should be doing these things. And what I'm referring to is the weekend warriors, the weekend detailers, even the professional detailers. I guarantee you there's probably one or two that you're not doing. So let's get over here and I'll show you a few of them and walk you through them. Alright, first one up. And as you can tell, I drove through the tires were still wet when I drove through the yard. I washed it out there on the concrete on my pad. And got a little bit of grass and dirt and stuff on it, but that doesn't matter. I'm gonna get it all off here in a minute anyway when I do the tires. But one of the main things that people miss is kind of threefold actually. And what that is your tires. And one of the main tools you should have when you're doing any car is old toothbrushes. I don't throw them away, I save them. They go into the building. I got a drawer out there, and as you can see, they come in handy for scratching places you can't get. But the main thing is this. Let me turn you around. Just, you know, all you gotta do is dip it in your bucket and then go to it. Like around your lug nuts. See how dirty that is? Just hit it. Then all you gotta do is rinse it, and that's clean, right? These cracks, and not cracks, but these crevices and stuff like this, you get those real easy because you just can't get the rag to turn down in there like that. And then the weights on the outside of your tires. See how clean mine are? I've already gotten mine with this. And last but not least, as far as tire related, valve stems. When you're sitting there and you're charging somebody $200–300 for a detail on a car, and they come out and they look at their tires and wheels, they see that shiny stuff you put on them. But once you're gone and they get out there and really get to looking at their car, they get to noticing a few things, and this is one of them, valve stems. All you gotta do is take a toothbrush, hit it with soap and water, just like so. It only takes a second. You're keeping the brush in your bucket as you're going anyway. So now all you have to do is rinse it off and you're good to go, you know, as you wash the whole thing. But that's one item I bet most of you aren't doing. Now next up, we're still on the tires. And I know that car show guys will be doing this, and most of the detailers, but most of the regular homeowners won't be. But look up in here, wheel wells. It looks like it's dirty right there, but it's not. That's just age from rocks and stuff hitting it. Nothing I can do on that, but whenever I get ready to go to a car show, or when I get finished, I'll hit it with some what's called undercarriage spray. Some of the better companies like Adams and Griot's Garage sells it, and you just take it and spray it up under there, and it makes it look like it's brand new. It really does a great job for hiding all that stuff. And you can hit your framework and all that stuff. But how do you get it clean, you may be asking? Very simple. Another item you should be keeping in your wash bucket when you're going around doing your tires and whatnot. This is a soft bristle one. It doesn't hurt the paint. It's very soft on everything. I can actually go over the side of the paint. See, it's still wet from where I washed it, and it will not scratch. I wouldn't recommend you doing that, because then you're going to be getting, if you do it enough or have something in the brush, this one's rinsed out thoroughly, you'll be getting scratches and stuff. So, but yeah, nice wheel well brush. I actually got this one in Walmart in the RV section, back in automotive, where they sell products for RVs, like the real long brushes and stuff to reach on top. That's where this was. Wheel wells, another thing I bet most of you aren't doing, and it just makes that final finished product look so much better. All right, don't pay attention to this messy inside. Wife drives this daily, like I said, and it's got a lot of stuff in it, napkins, and as you can see, I haven't vacuumed yet. But we need the keys for this one. Why do we need the keys for this one? Good thing you should ask. Now on my black car, as you can see, it's solid glass on the sides. It has no frame. But when you're out here cleaning your car, drying it off and everything, I know you forget this. And the only time you remember it is when you roll the windows down. But what do? You sit here and you clean your windows, right? Bet you missed that up there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Switch it on. Let it down just a little bit, and all you have to do is start right here when you clean your windows. Look at that. Get rid of that ding, 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 ding. Whenever you go back with your glass cleaner and everything, just crack your window, hit it on the outside, inside, roll it the rest of the way up, you're good. But I guarantee you, most of you are missing that. I guarantee it. Alright, another big ticket item, engine base. Now, as you can see, this is just a little bit dusty, so I'll hit it with my duster or a wet damp rag. But by all means, whenever you just, you know, it just makes you feel so much better whenever you come out and your car is clean, even down to the smallest detail like this. Now, I'm not saying get out there and do this every single time you wash your car, but you should at least be doing it every once in a while. If you don't do anything but just come out and do this, and I'll insert a video showing you how I do my engine base. It's not much, it doesn't take a lot, just a brush, a little soap and water, and a little bit of cleaner, and that's it. But like this, stuff like this, you know, if a customer comes out, sees this crap up here, this is no good. This right here, all this stuff, yeah, this needs to be gone. And it will be gone on mine here in a few minutes. I gotta finish this and then I gotta pick up the wife. I got about an hour and a half to get all this done. But yeah, engine base, they should be clean. Now, again, back to the toothbrush. What did I do with my toothbrush? What did I do with my toothbrush? There it is, in the bucket where it belongs. This also works good on other places that are really hard to get around and reach, such as emblems, right? Gets right in there. Cracks where you can't get your rag and stuff, gets right in there. Along lighting and stuff, see, there's no dirt or anything in mine. Along glasses, tops and bottoms of molding, right? In between the moldings, just general basic places you cannot get. Toothbrush, because it's soft, you ain't gonna have a real hard bristle brush on your teeth. It's soft, and then with soap and water on it, it lubricates it and you don't have to worry about it. And one other thing I bet most of you aren't doing includes a rag and a little time. What is that? Door jams. I mean, you're already drying it off, so just open the door jamb and wipe it down with a clean wet rag. Don't use soap on it because it'll leave water spots and residue. Well, look how fast I just did that one. I also do the bottoms of mine. And then while you're doing that, the opening, excuse me, I got sniffles. I've been out here in the heat going so fast. But look at that. If you don't have detail spray, at least use a clean wet rag and wipe everything out. I mean, you're already going anyway, so why not? Now you've got everything done, you're ready to go in. Not quite. Not quite. There's one thing I guarantee you're forgetting. The plastics. I gotta hit this with my 3-inch buffer. Get all that crap off and then hit it with Dr. Color Chip. Fill in some of those chips. Like I said, this is a daily driver. But plastics, you got them on a lot of your mirrors. You've got a lot of them under this. This doesn't need it. This is a painted surface. But if you had like rubber, like here, you can put stuff on that. Anywhere there's rubber, anywhere there's plastic, right? Let's go back up here. I know where there's a big piece of plastic. Like this. See how gray looking it is? It won't be like that here in a few minutes. And what do I use? Any good rubber product. Any good rubber coating product. Rubber product. God, am I back in high school? Like I said, a lot of people make them. Eagle One makes some. Turtle Wax makes some. I'm personally fond of Griot's Garage products, but I had a fellow channel supporter send me a product, and I'm gonna try it. I used it on the red car last year right before a car show, and I was very happy with it. And what is that? It's VRT by Adams. Chemical Guys makes one called VRP. I used it on the red car also last year. It works very well. Now keep in mind, these aren't going to last forever, but if you're not planning on having rain for a couple weeks, it'll hold up fine. And the good ones like the Adams and the Griot's Garage will hold up to a washing or two, but after that they're pretty much gone. Now they do make dyes and sealants and everything, ceramic sealants and everything, so that once you get it the color you want, you know, you can make it black again. I actually have a Griot's Garage product out there that's supposed to make the black plastic trim on these cars look like new. I just have not gotten around to it. When I do, I'll make that video. But yeah, cutting all your plastics. These are very, very expensive vehicles. Doesn't matter. From that one to the time it was new, to this one, the time it was new. It doesn't matter. Whenever you buy it, it's a large investment. It's your responsibility to keep it up and maintain. Otherwise, you're throwing money out the window. It doesn't take long. You don't have to do it all at one time. I do it all at one time just because I'm crazy like that, right? Now with all that said, ooh, dragonfly. Hello, little dragonfly. See how close I can get to him. Yep. They love to rest on the antennas. He'll come back in just a second. He never came back. He's still hovering around the car. He's trying to land on the car, but it's too hot out there in that sun. So we'll let him be, let him land. I know he's getting tired. But with all that said, I hope you're having a great day. I appreciate each and every one of you stopping by. Get out there and enjoy your car. It doesn't matter what you're doing to it. And until the next one, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.